Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Telegram application. As you can see, my Telegram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list, search for the Telegram, click on that. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to do is to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Then you need to go back and open your Telegram account and click on three bars, click on people nearby and click on start sharing. Now it is sharing my location with people nearby. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.